is Ryan and I am 10 years old. This is my fifth module from Kids Public Speaking, Damansara. Good afternoon, my dear friends and teacher. I am happy to be standing here as the president of 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐀𝐄 Badminton Club. Firstly, thank you to everyone for believing in me. Let me share how my journey started in this badminton club. I joined this badminton club since I was number 1, which is in the year of 2020. I remembered how scared I was on my first day because I thought I was bad at badminton and but you guys really helped me out to improve my badminton skills. I always wanted a platform to be able to improve my badminton skills. For the past 3 years, I not only improved my badminton skills, but I also met great friends along the journey who helped me out a lot. I would like to thank to my coach, Miss Leila, for teaching me the tips and the tricks on how to play badminton like a pro. She made me a better badminton player in a short period of time. Secondly, I would like to thank to my teammates for all of their encouragement. I remember in one badminton tournament, we were down 2-3, and I began to lose hope. But my teammates cheered me up and motivated me and told me that we still have a chance of winning. So we tried our best to win. Guess what? We won! We were so happy at that moment. Next, I would like to thank my parents for their financial support, especially my dad for bringing me to badminton classes. He has sacrificed all of his weekends for me and takes me to badminton tournaments. I am grateful to him. For our new members, our 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐀𝐄 Badminton Club has many benefits. There are 3 badminton rackets for our new members, free coaching from our experienced players, school gatherings, opportunity to take part in tournaments, opportunity to socialize with each other. What am I going to do? I will be serving for 1 year as the president of 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐀𝐄 Badminton Club. These were the few things in my mind which I would like to carry out. Firstly, we will get more shuttlecocks so that more people can play and practice playing badminton. Secondly, I will get a water filter to be installed at the badminton court. Thirdly, I will get a sponsorship to get us a robot trainer to train us. I am unable to complete this task by my own, which is why I need the assistance of all of you. Team up into the dream world. I will serve 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐀𝐄 Badminton Club with my heart and give my absolute best. Thank you once again, everyone.